Okay, siphinde sinamukele bafethu kuyona channel. Welcome back once again. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to also like the video. Don't forget to comment if you have anything to say la bafethu. Yabo niyabona ke eParliament ukuthi ke kubhizi kuya le nale ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo eParliament, but even including nakona ke ama political parties ama position ayashifta ke yabo kuyashintsha izinto ziya ngokuya ziyashintsha from different political parties. So even na kwi-EFF uke bafethu kunombuzo nje omile othi ke called Mbuyiseni Ndlozi replace Marshall Dlamini as EFF Secretary General. So according to the South African laphayana ke sithola kuyona laphayana ke story esibhalwe yena ke uNokwanda Ncwane la khona ke udaba nje luthinta kakhulukazi ke umfo kaNdlozi, njengoba ke kunombuzo ke olokumila ukuthi ke ngabe lensizwa lena ke izoba yini ke uSecretary General. So the former economic freedom fighter, student command EFFSC President Mpho Moralane is mobilizing a support for the party's former spokesperson okuyena ke uMbuyiseni Ndlozi laphana ke to be elected Secretary General. The EFF is expected to convene its National People's Assembly in December this year to elect new leadership and review some of its policies. Kubaluleke kakhulu ke lokho because noma ke kuyinto ke eyenza ke iqembu ukuthi ke ngaso sonke isikhathi ke lihlale li up to date ngelikwenzayo, yabo, nokuthembakala nje kweqembu ke kubantu, ukubukeka ukunyakaza kwalo nokushintsha ke ama positions. Okay, noma ngizothi ukushintsha ke izikhundla kuyasiza kakhulu because once umuntu ke wahlala kakhulu esikhundleni esisodwa they feel comfortable, ba feel ngathi ke no leyo nto leyo sebe noma leso sikhundla sebe kusona forever, uyabo. So Moralane took to X saying he must convene a meeting laphayana ke nabafundi ke ukwenza njani ukuze ke ezoqhubeka nokuthi ke ekhankasele khona ukuthi ke Mbuyiseni Ndlozi egcine ke ngempela electiwe as uSecretary General. So here's the current EFF leadership. So njengamanje ke i-leadership ye-EFF ime kanje bafethu: President laphayana ke uyena uJulius Malema, kube khona u-Deputy President okuyena ke uFloyd Shivambu, bese kuba khona ke u-Treasurer General ongubani ke uOmphile Mawotwe, then bese kube khona ke uChairperson okuVeronica Mente, bese kube khona ke uSecretary General Marshall Dlamini, then kube khona ke uDeputy Secretary General okuPoppy Mayilola, yabo. So yeah bafethu ke imi kanjalo nje okwamanje i-leadership yayo ke i-EFF. So notably since the party was launched 11 years ago, yabo, ngathi nje isikhathi sesihambe kakhulu. Kodwa ke iphathi le esanda kuba khona ngempela masikhumbula kahle, we remember ukuthi ke uJulius Malema ke wasuka kanjani ke noma wayosungula kanjani yona ke political party le. So Julius Malema and Shivambu are the only two who have retained their positions, and ke nginokucabanga ukuthi ke vele kwakhona ke ukubamba lezi ikhundla, I even doubt ukuthi ke bayo ke basuke kuzona, angazi ukuthi mebesuka kuyoba upresident vele, if you think, because even nisho nakwamanye ama political parties kakhulukazi nje ngizosho kwi-IFP for example, yabo, ubaba uMangosuthu Buthelezi uyena umsunguli, waze wahamba impela ke ebizwa ngaye ke upresident wayo ke inhlangano, I guess naye ke ucommander in chief known as president laphana uJulius Malema. Nakuyena mhlawumbe kuzoba kanjalo, we don't know. However, following the party's dismissal performance in the 29 May elections, it is unclear whether Malema will be elected as a leader this time. So the EFF EFF was the third biggest political party, as we know, in the country before 29 May, with 44 seats in the National Assembly. So however, it slipped to fourth position, while Jacob Zuma-led Umkhonto weSizwe party shot up to third. So sibonile bafethu kuma elections, national elections lately ukuthi ke no kushiftile ke izinto ke zime ngenye ke indlela njengamanje yabo. Before EFF ibi number 3 kuma opposition parties yabo, but then manje ke sekufike ke ngisho ke nomkhonto weSizwe okuwukuthi ke ugcina ubangisana nayo ke EFF yabo. So the Red Berets are received just under 2 million votes, and its number of seats in the provincial legislature across the country declined. After the IEC declared the result, several EFF supporters blamed the party's open border policy for the decline. We remember the low policy leyo, and abantu abaningi even ngisho kuma radio stations abaningi if kudiscusswa kakhulu ngendaba yokuthi ke what could be the reason of i-decline yama-supporters or abantu ke lapha abakhombe ukuvotela ke EFF. Most of ongoti ke noma ke ama-political analysts, they said ukuthi ke it could be the reason of i-policy le abaqhamuka nayo yokuvula ke ama-border. So that may be the reason yabo engadalela ke ukuthi ke kuze kube khona ke ukungavotelwa ke ngalolo hlobo. However, the party leader Julius Malema ke denied this. Waqaba ke Malema lokho. Malema said they are unwilling to compromise a principle to please a non-existent or bani ke voters. So yeah, akafuni kahle kahle Malema ukuthi ke eloke ejabulisa abantu, kodwa ke especially abantu abangamvotilanga yabo, abagcina ngokuthi ke be-analyze nje kuphela ke indlela ke ekwenzakala ngayo kuyona ke i-political party. So ukumcaphuna nje laphayana ke uthi ke our voters understand our message very well. Our open border policy is that we want we want Africa to be one, but you cannot do that before you develop the other economies of Africa, said Malema. So this is very confusing because this is South Africa, it's not Africa. So we are not the continent, we are a country yabo. And yindaba ngisho kanje it because how can you build other countries like other countries economy ekubeni ke ube kusanenkinga yokuthi ke vele economy iyala okhulela khona as a nation ongaphansi kwayo i-economy yakhona nayo isa-strugglisha yabo. Okay, we cannot deny ukuthi ke amazwe angabambisana, especially amazwe ase-Africa angabambisana to develop umnotho wawo yabo, kodwa ke lokho akukho possible uma kuwukuthi ke i-South Africa kuphela ezophakela amanye amazwe, or else i-South Africa kuphela ezodlala indima ekuthenini ke ku-develop namanye amazwe. So kumele leyo nto leyo yenziwa amazwe ehlangene, futhi kube nama-organizations ngempela azomela i-Africa iyonke, not only EFF.